So the game I'm going to have you program today is called Lemon Leak. And every time a strawberry hits your lemon, some of your juice comes out. And I programmed it so that your score goes down if you get hit by a strawberry. So that's a little bit different than what the tutorial does. So you have 30 seconds to play the game, and then the object is not to hit any strawberries. The lower the score, the worse you did, at least in the way I programmed it. So let's take a look at how to do this. We will go to the Lemon Leak tutorial. It is under tutorials. We've done Chase the Pizza, we've done Happy Flower, and now we are doing Lemon Leak. All right, let's just follow through with the directions and see how to make this game. So on start, put a block to set the background color from the scene. All right, and we're going to choose purple, it says. Pull in a Set My Sprite 2 from Sprites. Click on the gray box and find a picture of the lemon in the gallery. There it is, a nice little lemon. In Controller, go to Move My Sprite with buttons so that we can control the lemon and move it around. All right, that is step 1. Step 2, to keep the lemon from leaving the screen, drag over a Set My Sprite to stay in screen. Set My Sprite to stay in screen, and we're going to click it to turn it on. And then find the Start Countdown block and put it at the end. Start Countdown. Change it from 10 to 30 seconds because our game is going to be 30 seconds long. All right, step 3. Now pull out an on-game update every from game. Change it to 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. From the sprites, drag the Set Projectile to Projectile from Side. Drop it inside the on-game update. Click on the gray image box and select the strawberry from the gallery. Strawberry is the bad guy in this game. Okay, we're done with that. Okay, our next step says to go into the math drawer and get pick random number from 0 to 10. Put it in the VX slot. Change the first 0 to -50 and the second from 10 to 50. Then duplicate this block and put it into the slot for VY. All right, next. From sprites, drag an on sprite of kind overlaps block into the workspace. Set the kind for the other sprite to be the projectile, which is our flying strawberries, the evil flying strawberries. From sprites, drag a My Sprite Start effect. Drop it inside the overlaps block, click the plus to expand the block, and select the time to be 200 milliseconds. Lastly, to score hits on the strawberries by a lemon, drag a change score by. Now, since it's bad to get hit by the strawberry, I'm going to make mine negative, so I'm going to lose points if I get hit by the strawberry. All right, and that should do it. So let me run the game, see that everything is working properly. There's my lemon. I'm avoiding strawberries as best I can. If I get hit by a strawberry, I am losing points instead of gaining points. Ooh. The game will go for 30 seconds, and then you can see your score. The higher the score, the better. The lower the score means you did not do so well. Alright, so since I'm done with that, my last step would be to finish my project. I'm going to add my name after Lemon Leak. I'm going to publish my project. Then I'm going to copy that link and submit it to Canvas for my grade. Copy it, submit it. Alright, that's it. Have a great day of coding.